this is how to make a move in checkers. Now, you want to find out where your piece is. Where's my piece? Well, since I was originally white, I might have a white piece somewhere that I could move. Now, there's many moves that you could make in checkers, or chess, but this is checkers. So, I find my white piece. Oh! Here it is. After you found your piece, you can then touch it. Oh, now, after you've touched it, you feel that exhilaration through your body. Then you can look at your opponent, stare in awe at you. See, I'm breaking him down. That's a vital step in winning checkers. Now, since it's my turn, I might be able to move, but I don't know yet. So I'll ask my opponent, is it my turn? See, your opponent will always lie because they want it to be their turn, so it is definitely my turn. Now see, when that happens, you may not know what to do, but it can be simply solved by doing that. And then, if it keeps happening, you can nail a poster to the wall that says, keep on trying. Now, you want to take your piece with 4 fingers and do this. Ah! And after you jump their piece, I think you can take them away. Ah! Now, that is how to make a move in checkers.